So another question is, are digital therapeutics really effective? Are digital therapeutics as effective as drugs? Two examples. The first example is a prescription digital therapeutic to treat cancer patients with experiences symptoms coming from the relapse of the disease or coming from adverse event of the chemotherapy. So you have here the patient-facing app for the patient and the physician dashboard for the physician. In this case, you have the digital therapeutic prescribed by the physician. Then the patient, when the patient experiences a symptom, he or she reports the symptoms in the digital therapeutic, and the digital therapeutic evaluates the symptom severity and the nature of the symptoms and provide personalized recommendation. So the patient follow a self-management program and based on this recommendation until the symptom subsides. So this is a digital therapeutics, and these are the supporting data published in JAMA last year. It is a clinical trial, randomized clinical trial, comparing two groups of patients with lung cancer in metastatic phase, treated the experimental group with a digital therapeutic, web-based monitoring, and the control group without this monitoring. The length of the trial was 24 months, 2 years, and the endpoint was the overall survival at the end of the second year. So you can see here the overall survival in the experimental group, 22.5 months, in comparison with the control, 13.5. There is a 40% of difference in the two groups. Second example is related to Somryst. It is a prescription digital therapeutics to treat chronic insomnia. It is based on a cognitive behavioral therapy for insomnia, which is well known in the literature. So you can see here the patient-facing application for the patient and the clinician-facing dashboard. And these are the supporting data published again in a JAMA journal. It is JAMA Psychiatry, published 3 years ago. It is a randomized clinical trial with a 1-year follow-up, 2 groups. This is the experimental group treated with a digital therapeutic, and this is the control group. It is not treated with the placebo, but with the patient education. And so you can expect some therapeutic effect. As you can see, there is an improvement in the symptoms in the insomnia severity index, but only with the digital therapeutic, you achieve the therapeutic target of no insomnia.